Hey guys, this is a call for Fart Rising. Just want to make some video real quick about the Cash App guy. He got stabbed to death. Just want to make a video about that. I've been out here in a while, sorry guys, but here we go. This video contains images that are not okay. Let's see what happened. These are the final moments of the billionaire. This is his final moments right here, apparently. Someone stabbed him to death. Can't really see it that well. But my thing is, why would somebody take him out, right? That's the question everyone is asking, and I have a theory. I have a video I want to show you about this situation. They took him out because the government just launched their own Cash App the day after he died, called FedNow, Fed something, Fed Now or something like that, FedNow. So the government wants to make their own digital dollar system, and apparently with this guy out the way, it'll be easier to control their digital dollar system. That's why he's on the ground right there. Him out the way, Cash App goes under, I guess, and then the digital dollar, Big Brother, takes over, and they create their own money system because he is in the way of their agenda. He is not. Apparently in their eyes, he has to be out of the picture. And they made easy work of him, as you see. Eventually gets on his feet, his drain of all color. Yeah, they took him out, man. This is the Illuminati at work to bring in their digital dollar system so they can control every money aspect. This is what they do. They off people. Look at this guy. Yep, see him right there? They off people. If you're in the way of their new world order, they'll off you. Just like this guy right here. They'll off you. Alright, we're just going to end it right there.
The CBDC.
I have another video I want to show you is this guy right here. But I can't really show you the video because I don't want to get copyright. So just listen to what he's saying.
Before you do anything else, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Take a look at this.
The FedNow service will transform the way everyday payments are made throughout the economy, bringing substantial gains to households and businesses through the ability to send instant payments at any time on any day with funds immediately available.
Wow, the U.S. government reserve is launching its own Cash App called FedNow. In July, this is a push to get rid of the cash money, a replace with digital dollar. Digital cash. All payments will be instant. Ain't that swell? With him out the way, there's no problem. That's why he's laying there dead. Okay? This equals this. This equals this. If you're in their way of this, this will happen to you. Point blank, period. Don't question me. I know what I'm talking about.
All digital system gives ultimately the people who control the central banks and the banking system an ability to literally turn on and off your money if you don't do exactly what they say. And exactly what you say includes taxation without representation, healthcare mandates, and literally taking away your kids.
CBDC. If that happens, we're done. The key difference with the CBDC is that central bank will have.
They releasing an app called FedNow. So you telling me the Cash App man gets stabbed up, not shot up, stabbed up. You can't trace no knife. And if you can, that knife long gone. It ain't like a gun, it ain't like bullets. So you telling me the day after this man died, they released an app called FedNow. And let me tell y'all something, man. They done got away with it, man. What the hell going on around this motherfucker? Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, you scamming niggas got to July. You scamming niggas got to July. Anybody else who deal with cash on a daily basis, y'all got till May to July, because guess what? It's gone, motherfucker. New world order around this motherfucker. Hey, man, look, I'm scared of the motherfucker. This app is called FedNow. Hell no. Hey, but I ain't that scared because, you know, us YouTubers and everybody else, you know, we got legal stuff going on, so we gonna be good a little bit. But hold on. You niggas that scamming, over with.
Alright, we're gonna end it right there. He's just talking about scammers. But anyways, guys, as you can see, that's what their plan is, and that's what his demise was. Unfortunately, he's not with us right now because he's in the freaking grave. Because they put him there. Because they was in his way. In their way, whatever. So, I wanted to make this a quick video, guys. I don't want to be here too long because there's nothing really else to talk about besides, obviously, they took the man out. I mean, obviously, you heard what he just said. They launched, the feds launched their own Cash App version, which is going to be digital dollar. They wanted him out the way because it involved money and cash, which they don't want, obviously, so... Yeah. It's called corporate murder. Yeah, pretty much. If you read the comments, you'll see it. You see what I'm talking about. Yep, it's a wicked game. Wicked as fuck. Yeah, I know. This is what they do, people. And if you don't believe me, read the comments. People are seeing what's going on with this New World Order crap. You can literally see it. People are waking up. People are seeing what they're doing. No more of the celebrities just dying out of nowhere. You know how celebrities just die randomly? People, every time a celebrity dies now, they saying they off them. Because you know why? Because they really do off them. For corporate purposes. They off them. New World Order. This plan has been in New World Order for a while now. Yeah, I know it has. It doesn't take this world will always send your ass to the feds now. Yeah, that's what their new app is called, FedNow. Yep. Shit about to get digital currency. Yeah, digital currency, people. I'm not making this up. But read the comments. Everyone is waking up. I already knew that. I already knew this was about to happen. It was a setup. That's what it was. It was a setup. Yeah, you got one idiot in the comment section saying that cash is not going away. Yes, it is, buddy. You just don't know it yet. Well, that's the comments. I showed you the comments. Now, you've seen the comments. Alright, see you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll try to bring you more videos, but sometimes I'll be busy, so I apologize. But please hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and hit the like button so this video can get shared by many people, so people can wake up to see what's really going on. See you guys.